Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk with good settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you search about KakaoTalk. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.